In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contact on Brevo. This is a simple process, but it is important to take it one screen at a time so your contacts and their details come in correctly. Start by logging into your Brevo account and looking to the left sidebar. Click on Contacts. This takes you to the main area where Brevo stores your contact database, along with any lists you have created. Next, go to the top right of the page and click the Import Contacts button. When the Import menu opens, select Contacts. This tells Brevo that you want to add or update people in your contact database, rather than importing something else. Now you will choose how you want to upload your contact data. Select Upload a File, then choose your file. Brevo accepts common formats like CSV or XLSX. Before you upload, it helps to make sure your file is clean and organized. For example, keep one row per contact and one column per piece of information, like email address, first name, or phone number. Also, make sure the header row clearly labels each column. That will make the next step easier. After your file is uploaded, you will move to mapping. This is where you match the columns in your file to Brevo contact attributes. Take a moment here and verify each field lines up correctly, especially key fields like email. If a column is mapped to the wrong attribute, your data can end up in the wrong place. Once everything matches the way you want, click Confirm Mapping. Then you will assign the contacts to a list. Select your target list, which is the group you want these contacts to belong to inside Brevo. Choosing the right list helps you stay organized and makes it easier to send campaigns later. When you have selected the correct list, click Confirm your list. Finally, you will see the last confirmation screen. Review the details one more time, then click Confirm your import to start the process. Depending on the size of your file, the import may take a few moments. Once it finishes, your contacts will be added to Brevo and placed in the list you selected. And that covers everything you need to know.